Alright guys, on this very short tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to zoom in and zoom out. As I earlier said in some of my tutorials, it's very important as a professional graphic designer, when you are cropping your pictures, immediately as a learner, yes, let's talk as a beginner, it's important that you zoom in. So how do you zoom in? To zoom in is very easy. To do that, you go to view, zoom out, you see zoom in, you see fit to screen, you also see fit layer on screen, you also see fit artboard on screen. These are some functions: zoom to 100, zoom to 200, print size, actual size, all those stuffs. Then to customize however you want it, it's very easy to do. This is you click on Control plus, it's gonna take you in. Control negative, it's gonna take you out. So that is all for this short tutorial, but it is very important, especially if you intend cropping your pictures using the pen tool on Photoshop. Here's my advice: if you're a graphic designer and you want to extend this skill, please learn how to use the pen tool to the top level, and this zooming and zooming out and zooming in function is gonna do a lot of help for you.